Just in case if someone edited your Google Doc file without your permission, here's how to see what exactly changed. Let me show you.
First, open the document file you want to compare, okay? So for this tutorial, I'll be using this one. Now go to Tools. You can use your laptop or your phone, okay? Now go to Tools, click on it and scroll down and click on Compare Document. Now once you do, it will not ask you to select the comparison document, meaning it's not asking you to select the document you want to compare with the original file that you have. Okay, so let's say for example, you shared a file with your friend or your working colleague. You now ask this friend of yours or a working colleague to make some changes to the file, and he or she now sent you back the copy of the original file that you have. Now for you to easily see what was changed or added, this is how you do it. Okay, now go to your computer or your phone where you have that file saved and select it. Okay, now for me, I'll go to my drive. Once I do, I will now click on the particular file that I want to compare it with. Okay, so I'll click on this one. I'll click open right here. Then ensure that you tick this box and click on compare. Okay, and then Google Docs will create a new document showing differences. Okay, now you can see it right here. Comparison is ready. Okay, now click open. Once you do, it will now bring out a new page just like this. What you can do is to make it so that you can size the screen for you to easily see what was changed and the rest. Now on this one, you can see that Google Drive, it's supposed to be small letter E, but we have a big letter right here. The same thing is applicable to this collaboration that we have right here. We are seeing a small letter right here and the bigger letter at the end. This one has a color. Okay, you can easily just move to the end and see them right here. Okay, you can see every of things that were added, replaced, and changed. Okay, these are the other ones. You can see this one has a comment on it. You can see it right here. It has a comment. So this is a comment. Okay, so now you can quickly see what was added, removed, or changed. Everything that was changed are 5. You can see them right here. Okay, so these are the things that were changed. Look at them right here. And then that is how you can compare 2 documents without checking every line manually. In the next lesson, I will now show us how to arrange our document tabs just like this. Okay, so follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, tag others, share this video, repost it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.